Morning everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know you are really in trouble because you cannot speak in English. But don't worry, I'm here to help you. How to speak English confidently and fluently, how to speak English like native speaker. I have the answer for you. How you can improve your English and how you can speak English like native speaker and open a new opportunity for you. Yes, English is not just a language, it is a language of global opportunity. How? You can go for overseas studies in Canada, Australia, USA, Australia, New Zealand, US, Canada, wherever you want to go. But you should know that if you want to go for overseas studies in Canada or UK, you need to qualify IELTS examination, which is a band based examination. Suppose you get a 7.5 bands or 8 bands in IELTS. You can easily get the admission in Canadian public universities, which is a government universities like IIT and IIM. So you can take the admission in University of Calgary, University of Saskatchewan, where are the so many courses are over there, and you can easily grab the opportunity of the hostel also. But it depends upon your IELTS score and how your IELTS score will improve when you read well, when you listen English, when you can understand English, when you have the knowledge of vocabulary and you can speak in English, you can give the answer of any question of the examiner. Or if you want to go for Australia or New Zealand, where you need to qualify TOEFL examination, which is again a language test. Or you want to get a job in corporate sector or in MNC company, whether you are studying MBA or BTech program. I know very well those students, those who are doing the MBA or doing the BTech from the CS background, they want a job in MNC or the corporate companies because they want to do a office job and they want to earn a good amount of money also and good work life balance. So for this for this you need to work hard on your basic English skills, which is again I would like to tell you, if you really want to improve your English skills, you have to habitual that you have to read English newspaper half an hour every day. You have to listen English media half an hour every day. Only these things are going to improve your English speaking skills. And in spite of this, you need to speak also. You can speak in front of mirror or with your friends, and I have some advanced words for you. So let's start today's video with some advanced word. Archaic. Archaic. Adjective, extremely old. The tribe's traditions are archaic. They have been in force for thousands of years. Archetype, original, modern, or pattern. An archetype is similar to a prototype. Ardent. Larry's ardent wooing finally got on Cynthia's nerves, and the meaning for that is passionate. Are you passionate about your skills, your hobbies, or else? Arduous, hard, difficult. Climbing the mountain was arduous. Like I would like to say that ardent, that the boxing is my passion. So I would like to say that. Arduous, difficult. Climbing the mountain was arduous. Aristocratic, advanced word. Noble birth. Prince Charles is aristocratic. He is a member of British aristocracy, a small class of privileged people. Artful, crafty. After dinner, the artful counselor told the campers that there was a madman loose in the woods. Artifice, clever trick, cunning. The Trojan horse was an artifice designed to get the soldiers inside the walls. Ascendancy, supremacy, domination. Small computers have been in ascendancy for the last few years. Aesthetic, practicing self denial. The college professor's apartment, which contained no furniture, except a single tattered mattress. Assiduous, hardworking, busy, quiet, diligent. The workmen were assiduous in their effort to get nothing done. Instead of working, they drank coffee all day long. So, we have done the words for the day. But I need a promise from you that you will read English newspaper every day and you will listen English media every day. You can watch BBC, Al Jazeera, France 24. There are so many news channel which you can tune on your television or your smart TV. And one more exercise you need to do is every day speak in front of mirror at least for 30 minutes or speak with your friends, because these exercises going to improve your English communication skills. And I'm here to help you as your friend, your coach, to improve your vocabulary building. Because if you have the knowledge of vocabulary, if you have command over vocabulary, only then you can speak. Without vocabulary, you cannot speak. Yes, it is true. So learn vocabulary with me. Be join my channel and don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.